of the color of your team. And a participant of the Open Sports Fest 2024 competition. So help me God. Agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of the sports competition.
Kung sino man po ang magwawagi sa red, sa blue, black, or green team, hindi po namin alam yan. Ito po ang inyong trophy. And for the basketball, ito po ang trophy. Diba? Legit na legit ng Office of the